Hello my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you na the first time for my YouTube channel, I would like make you click the subscribe button, like and share. If you get people for house, maybe say they don't wish say they want become a programmer and you think they did very difficult for them, if you share this video, give them, help me tell them say the journey to programming language, say somebody don't cut and short for them. And the next topic for program and linking of JavaScript file. And wetin they mean, how to link our JavaScript file to our HTML code. We could go to our code page. To write code for JavaScript, now two ways we dey do am. Now either you do inline scripting. How to do inline scripting? Now to write, you'll come for this head tag of your code. You go open tag, write script, and click write the closing tag. Now within this place, you can write your JavaScript code. For example, make I go back to my web browser. I want to reload this thing so that everything will write for our console will come out. Same thing make we write for console, one can write for our Visual Studio Code now. Now we want to tell our website, say may greet people, may tell them say hello world. Go straight. This code more right now, yeah, we can go for our web browser, go test and whether it will work. If you reload your page, you see the page tell us say hello world. Now the same command we could write for our console. I want to use my friend name IK. I say let's Ikeshuku equals to foolish boy. Now we don't make Ikeshuku equal to foolish boy, we can tell our computer, say make our computer check if Ikeshuku they equals to foolish boy. If Ikeshuku they equals to foolish boy, make him send alerts. I think we can't do for the alert when we go. You write everybody, my friend Ikeshuku is a foolish boy. Now we'll go check our code. If our code will give us the same thing. But now I go want do it and I go want comment out this our first alert. This comment make I put, I will send tissue now within the comment there for and why would the user. But as for now, we will just fix our code as we do run out. We load our code now. our website they tell us say everybody, my friend Ikechukwu is a foolish boy. But now this inline code more with the right. Say it makes sense more with the right inline code like this. It dey okay, but if you want to write your own code like a professional, you get how we dey do am. No be like this we dey do am. Wetin you could do be say you go come down for your scripts. If you come down for your scripts, you will open a scripting tag. Don't forget say anytime you open scripting tag, you will surely close the scripting tag unless you go get error for your code. And computer no, remember wetin I tell una say computer no go help una correct una error. You go use una play small, so una go need to know wetin una dey do. Now all this code here, I will still leave am like this. But in that scripting tag, what you will do next is say you go add one property wey they call src. That src go locate the file wey you want go put your script. So you go separate the file, your scripting file with your main file. No dey make sense well if they put them together the way I show you the first time, the inline style. So now I want to create one file. The file name could be scripts.js. I believe say by now people go don't know wetin they call extension name. But if una no know, make I take small minutes, make I take explain you una so una go know wetin they call extension name. You see, any file make computer they open, they always get extension name. Anytime make you write document for Word, for Microsoft Word, if you check the document, they get .docs. Now that extension name go tell computer say if you want to open this program with so application. Now .docs now belongs to Microsoft Word documents. So anytime make any file carry .docs, if you double click on the file say you want to open now, if computer say that .docs, you go find Microsoft Word come use open now because the file belongs to Microsoft Word. Now so this one be. So the extension name for scripting language for JavaScript now .js. Now I'm going to open a new file for our script.js. We'll come save on for the same folder. The same folder we will write our HTML. I beg make una no separate them. If una separate them, your website if you no see the scripting language make you open. Now we'll open new file. We name the file script.js. Click enter. The thing asks us say when we want to save them, we dey under our folder already. So we go save them. So yeah. Now what else you need to do? Now to copy this our code. Copy this our code. Where we do one go say my friend is a foolish boy. We paste them for here. Now come for this inline one, come out down. We don't need them again. No, we don't need them again. Now as it be, now this script mean they do the work for us. So our code no need to be dirty, no need to be anyhow. Now another file with this. So you understand, another file with this. That file can be like say they within this place they work. Though you know they there. You know we know they say here. But our HTML they call this one now. So Now these professionals, they run their own programming, so everywhere we dey okay. We don't pass the stage. Now see say it work. When I refresh again, it still work. If I refresh again, it still work. So from now on, our HTML don't dey one place, our script don't dey one place. So if we want to write our JavaScript, we know say na JavaScript to dey write for there. We go just dey program our things dey go. As we dey program our things dey go for there, we go dey work the same thing the way we dey work for the HTML. Yeah. Now I believe say